Very well maintained, clean, 3-bedroom/2 bath with 1-car garage. The open concept floor plan feels roomy with well-placed windows offering excellent natural light and an airy ambience. The kitchen layout offers ample cabinets, generous counter space and a pantry. The microwave is a fully vented microwave. The stove and dishwasher are less than 2 years old, per the seller. The home has wide closets in each bedroom, the garage has built-in shelves. The main areas have vinyl plank flooring, the bedrooms have neutral carpet. Past updates to the home include newer HVAC air handler, water heater, appliances and flooring. The home was newly painted on the exterior in the last year. A bonus feature to this home is the huge, fenced backyard with a fantastic granddaddy oak in the middle. This is a good option for the buyer needing more space for cars. There is a gravel space at the front yard for extra parking. Don't miss this move-in ready home.